Creating perfect transitions, cool titles and effects in video editing takes time. Time is money. That's where plugin assets come in, offering a shortcut to professional looking results. I found some useful plugins that you should have. Let's find out. For the Premiere Composer, visit mrhost.com and click on the Try for Free button. Download the appropriate Product Manager app for your system. In my case, I'm using a Mac OS system, and I'll download the Mac version. Once the download is complete, double-click on the installer file and drag it into the application folder. Open the Product Manager app and you will see a mini window. Click on the Install Free Starter Package button. Provide your system ID password to allow the installation and wait for the process to complete. Once finished, you can close the app. Open Premiere Pro, go to Window, Extension. You will see Premiere Composer listed there. Premiere Composer plugins provide a well-organized list of elements by category, making them easy to find and use. For example, you can find text, lines, transitions, and sound effects. For the MotionBro, visit the MotionBro website, which is I provide in my video description. Click on the Plugins button in the top menu. Select the manual installation option. Download ZXP/UXP installer for your operating system. In my case, Mac. If your case, Windows, download Windows system. Install the ZXP installer. Follow on-screen instructions to install the app. Leave the app running in the background. Now download the MotionBro ZXP plugins. Go back to the MotionBro website. Click on the download button. Download the ZXP plugins for your operating system, Mac or Windows. Install the MotionBro ZXP plugins. Go back to the ZXP installer app, and in the app, click on the Open button. Select the Motion ZXP plugin file .zxp that you downloaded. Click on the Install button. Close the ZXP installer app. Restart Adobe Premiere Pro. Open any project or create a new one. Go to Window, Extensions in the middle bar. Select MotionBro from the list of extensions. Ignore any message that appear. Click on Presets tab. Click on the Install Package button. Open the unzipped downloaded package file that contains the free MotionBro.mbr file. The free MotionBro package will be installed. In the MotionBro panel, you will see the free elements organized by categories on the left side. You can now drag and drop free elements into your Premiere Pro project. The last plugin that I would like to discuss is AE Juice. The installation process is similar to MotionBro. Head to the website and download the app manager by providing your email address. Save and unzip the file, then install the .pkg file following on-screen instructions. I deselected the Final Cut Pro because I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro, and continue with the installation. Entering your system password. Once the installation is complete, open Premiere Pro and check its extensions as we did before. You'll see AE Juice, which has similar interface to MotionBro, but with a different look and design. If you have watched me until the end, you'll now know where to find these amazing plugins and how to install them. I'm sure you'll find them easy to use. Let me know which plugins you prefer, and I'm always open to suggestions for other free resources. My sincere thanks to those who create these amazing plugins. If you have budget, I strongly encourage you to support them. Thank you for watching.